Prime numbers. Prime numbers have two factors, 1 and itself. Now, prime numbers are an absolutely vital set of numbers as they use a lot in banking and to keep your data and information secure. And as you'll see on the next video, you can also use them to find prime factor trees. But let's find some primes. So firstly, let's pick 5. So, can you think of any numbers that multiply together to make 5? So start off with 1. Well, yeah, 1 times 5 is 5. Does 2 work? Well, no, 2 times 2.5, but we're only talking about whole numbers. So that's the only 2 factors. So 5 is a prime number. What other prime numbers have we got between 1 and 10? Well, 1 isn't because 1's only got 1 factor, but it's 2. Well, yeah, 1 and 2. What about 3? Yeah, well, 1 times 3, and that's it. So 3 is a prime number. 5 I've already done. 6. Does 6 work? Well, let's think about it. 6. So 1 times 6, and another factor is 2 times 3. So it's not prime because it's got more than 2 factors. Does 7 work? Well, is 7 prime? 1 times 7, 2 doesn't work, 3 doesn't interfactor. So yeah, 7 is a prime number. 8. Does 8 work? Well, 8 is 1 times 8, and it's 2 times 4. So that's not prime because it's got 4 factors. What about 9? Well, 9 is 1 times 9 or 3 times 3. So that's not prime because it's got more than 2 factors. So the only ones that work are numbers that have got only 2 factors, 1 and itself. So a prime number is a number that only has 2 factors, 1 and itself. You really need to learn about the first 10 prime numbers to help with things like factor trees and for spotting numbers in prime numbers in a set. So you remember the first few prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23 and 29. And they are the first few prime numbers. And it's absolutely vital you learn these prime numbers to help you with your exam.